Hi everyone, thinking of switching from Leica Mobile to Ultra Mobile? We have got you covered. In this video, we will show you exactly how to port your number quickly and hassle-free. Let's jump right in. Port from Leica Mobile to Ultra Mobile. Gather your Leica Mobile account number, transfer PIN, billing zip, and the phone number you want to transfer. Buy new Ultra Mobile SIM and provide the necessary details during activation by selecting Transfer Existing Number option. Your number will typically transfer within 48 hours and your old service will automatically cancel once the transfer is complete. Step 1. Check eligibility. Your Ultra Mobile account must be active at the time of the porting request. Ensure that there are no outstanding dues or unpaid bills on your Ultra Mobile account. Ensure your current phone number is eligible for porting. It should be a US based number and you must be the primary account holder. There should not be any pending requests for changing the ownership of your mobile number. The number you wish to port must not be subject to any legal restriction. If you are bringing your own phone, ensure the phone is compatible and the carrier unlocked to use new service. Step 2. Check compatibility. Go to Ultra Check Compatibility page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Enter IMEI number and click Check Phone. If your phone is not compatible, you need to buy a new device from Ultra Mobile or any carrier unlocked device. To find IMEI number, on iOS, open the Settings app, go to General, then About, scroll down to find the IMEI number listed. On Android, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on About Phone or About Device. Alternatively, you can dial star hat 06 hat on the phone app to display the IMEI. Step 3. Verify coverage. Ensure you have a good coverage in your area before porting to Ultra Mobile network. Go to Ultra Mobile coverage check page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Enter your area zip code. Click check coverage button. If you have good coverage, you can port to Ultra Mobile with confidence. Else consider comparing with other service provider before switching to Ultra Mobile. Step 4. Verify carrier unlock status. For iOS, open the Settings app, then go to General, then About. Scroll down to find the Network Provider Lock section. If it says no SIM restriction, your iPhone is unlocked. If it indicates any restriction, the phone is carrier locked. For Android, open the settings, then go to network and internet or connections, then go to mobile network. Network operator, choose network, then turn off select automatically. If you see a list of available networks, your phone is unlocked. If only your current carrier's network appear, it is likely locked. Step 5. Gather required information like a mobile account number, the phone number you want to transfer, transfer PIN, your full name, billing address, and zip code. Ensure the details should be exactly same as in Leica Mobile. Step 6. Get Leica Mobile account number and PIN. Call Leica Mobile customer service at 1-866-277-3221 or 1-845-301-1612. If you are calling from abroad, you can also use the short code 612. Once connected to a customer service representative, be prepared to verify your identity. You may need to provide your name, address, phone number, and like a mobile SIM card number. The representative will provide you with your account number and PIN after verifying your details. They may also send this information via text message for your record. Step 7. Buy a plan. To port your number to Ultra Mobile, you need to buy a new SIM. Go to Ultra Mobile plan page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Select the plan that suits your need. Click View button. Select the plan duration 1 month or 3 month or 6 month or 10 month. Select the SIM type, SIM card. Select a device, brand and model. Click Check button. If it is not compatible, you cannot install the eSIM. Click Add to Cart button. Enter your area zip code, click Update Total, review the bill and click Proceed to check out button, or you can go with PayPal account. Follow on-screen instructions to buy the plan. Step 7. Activate the SIM. Since you have already bought the plan, you will get Orange SIM. Once received the SIM, go to Ultra Mobile activation page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Select your SIM color. Here it is orange. Step 9. Initiate the porting process. Enter 11-digit activation printed At the back of your SIM card, select Transfer your existing phone number. Provide details such as like a mobile number, zip code, account number, and PIN. Add a form of payment, debit or credit card to complete the activation process. You can also enroll in auto renew for convenience and potential discounts. Select Transfer your current number. Provide required details such as like a mobile number, billing zip code, account number, and PIN. Add a form of payment, debit or credit card to complete the activation process. You can also enroll in auto renew for convenience and potential discount. During the activation process, provide the required information to port your number. Wait for confirmation. The porting process typically takes 48 hours. For mobile numbers. You may receive a temporary number during this time. Once your number is successfully ported, your Ultra Mobile service will be cancelled automatically and you will be able to use your phone or a new network. Do not cancel the Leica mobile service until you activate your SIM on Ultra Mobile.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.